Self-publishing books can be a whole lot of fun and bring in quite a bit of revenue. But did you know that there's more than just self-publishing on Amazon? So today, I'm going to show you how to self-publish on Ingram Spark. So stick around. Hey Right Riders, Keith Wheeler here, and if you want to continue to get all the hints, tips, and tricks on how to make self-publishing easier, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash your little bell icon so you get alerted each and every time I put out a new video. Believe it or not, Amazon is not the only game in town. So we're starting a whole new Saturday series focusing on self-publishing books off Amazon. Every week, I'm going to show you how to upload to a completely different self-publishing platform. Today, we're going to self-publish on Ingram Spark. So let's get started. And here we are on ingramspark.com. I've gone in, I've created my own account. We're going to upload a title. Your options are print and ebook for $49, print only for $49, or ebook only for $25. Now this book I'm going to upload already exists in print and ebook format on KDP. So I'm going to do print book only because I want to make a hardcover version of it. Now it's asking me if I already have my files ready. I do, so I'm going to click on that. Just as a reminder, it's saying print cover, it needs to be a spread including front, spine, and back cover in PDF format. Yes, I have that. And a print interior in PDF format. Yes, I have that as well. Here, it's how would I like to distribute it. It's asking, do I want to create just print only version? So I'm not distributing it online. I'm just going to either take it to shows. Maybe it's a personal project I'm doing, not something that I'm going to sell worldwide. In this particular case, I do want to print, distribute, and sell the book. So I'm going to click on this and click continue. Here we go to get the basic information. Now, to make things faster, what I do every time I'm uploading projects is I always have an Excel spreadsheet that has all of my metadata on it. That's a quick pro tip right there for you. And so my book title, I'm going to click on over to my file, which happens to be off screen. And this is for my nonfiction book, Please Don't Beg, How to Get Book Reviews and Keep Your Friends. So we're going to click on that. Next, the language is going to be English. I did not buy my own ISBN, and here's another little piece of information that a lot of people don't know about Ingram Spark. They now offer a free ISBN owned by Ingram Spark. That's right. You can get a free ISBN through Ingram. This is just confirmation. Yes, I want a complimentary ISBN. Moving on, my publishing rights. I own the copyright to this. This is just them double checking. Basically, does your title include someone's name, the name of a famous company or a famous brand without a license from the owner? Does it include trademarks, pictures? Make sure you read through all this. No, mine does not include any of those. And then right here, it says, show more fields to improve book optimization. It's kind of hidden, but you want to make sure you click on that because that, my friends, is where you put in your subtitle, series name, series number, edition name, and edition number if relevant. So again, I'm going to go over to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to grab my subtitle, which this book has, and I'm going to do a fancy old copy paste. This isn't in the series. As you can see, I've already done this on my other book, so it already has the first name, last name available. But normally, if it's not available, you would just type it in. You can pick the role. If you'd like to, again, improve book optimization, you can click right here. And it's just where you would go in and you'd put contributor biography and prior works. Again, just making it more SEO friendly. I'm not going to bother doing any of that for this particular book. Also, you can add additional contributors if necessary. We'll scroll down. We're going to categorize our book. We can select the imprint. If you need more information, you can just click on the question mark and it will explain. I'm just going to leave it at my name. You're allowed up to 3 subjects maximum. So I'm going to go in and find subjects, and you really want to make sure that you pay close attention to this particular step because this is going to help your book be found in the marketplace. I'm going to speed up through this process to save time. Next up, I'm going to select my audience. There's an option to show more fields to improve your optimization. Again, this is for SEO. If there's theme subjects, if you want to add in your table of contents, you can do that all here. Any editorial reviews you would add right in here. But again, for now, I'm going to close all these down. I'm just going to put in my keywords. I'm going to use the same keywords that I used for my paperback. Just need to make sure I go in and separate them by semicolons. Now we have our full book description. There's some formatting that you can do. You can do bolds and underlines. Gives you more options than what you have with KDP without having to learn HTML. I literally just copy and pasted this from the actual Amazon page. You can click on this and show more. You can do a short description. When someone's going through the catalog, like Barnes & Noble perhaps, and they're looking through it, it gives them a brief synopsis of your book. So you want to make sure that you include any awards, any extra material or anything like that. I'm going to hide this for now, and I'll click continue. Next, the trim size. Well, this book is 6x9, so we're going to go to the 6x9. And my book is black and white. Again, you have the color option. You also now have the page color. I'm just going to go with white paper. The binding. What kind of binding? I want this to be a hardback. That was the entire point of doing it. And now I can decide what type of hardcover I want to put on it. I'm just going to go with the case laminate. The cover finish. On this particular book, I actually do like it with a matte finish. It tells you right here that it has to be between 18 and 1200 pages. This particular book is 49 pages. You're going to pick the market. This particular one is in the United States. And this tells you that the price per book, the print costs, will be $6.41. Next, we're going to put in our price. Now, our retail price for my paperback is $9.99. I'm actually going to put mine down to $15.99. Now, wholesale, you're going to select whether you're giving them a 55% trade agreement. That's the norm, so I'm going to click on that. Now, returnable. This is where you hear people say that big stores like Barnes & Noble don't want to take indie published or self-published books. And people think it's because they got a free ISBN or anything like that. It's not. Majority of the time, it's because they are not getting enough of a wholesale discount. And more importantly, they're not returnable. They have limited shelf space. And so they need to know that when a book doesn't sell, they can return it and get something else. So we can go into here. I want it, yes, I definitely want it returnable. Deliver means they're going to actually ship it to you if something gets returned. I don't want it. I just want them to destroy it. There we go. Now looking at the compensation here, and that's not enough. So I'm probably going to bump this up to, my competitors are, the ones I have seen are around the $19.99. I'll go a little under and do $18.99. Let's see what that does to my $2.14. That's good. Yes, I accept all prices above and understand that the automatic currency conversion reflects the pricing I entered today. Moving on, my print options, definitely want to enable the look inside feature. This particular book does not have large print. Large print is typically 16-point font or higher, so I'm not going to select that. And my content is not designed for right to left reading, which is typically Arabic. Next up, we have our publication date. Majority of the time, you're going to want to publish right away. Then you're going to put today's date or tomorrow's date, which I want this to publish right away. Today is April 23rd. Okay. Now it's time for me to upload my files. They're both uploaded, so now I'm going to hit continue. Go to the validation. Great, there's no metadata errors. That's awesome. Contents is still validating. This may take a while, so I will just shut down and then come back. Okay, it's finally processed. As you can see, there's no issues for my interior. They do have a slight color issues with the spread that I did for my cover. It's not anything that's going to prevent it from publishing. So I just need to say I hereby authorize Ingram Spark to proceed, and then I click continue. So now we are here at the order summary page. I just want to go through and double check all my basic information. My book title, author name, trim size, paper color, type of hardback, type of finish that I want, the page count, my ISBN. Remember, this was the free ISBN that I got from Ingram Spark. These are my total fees and my total amount. I just click agree, proceed to payment, put in my card information, or I can select a card that's already on file, and then I click pay. See, not as scary as you thought, right? Now, quick side note, if you get a promotional code for any reason, that cannot be used in conjunction with the free ISBN. So make sure you keep that in mind. Anywho, if you're looking to go wide on your ebook distribution, then check out this video right here that I did where I show you how to upload your ebook to Draft to Digital. Or you can check out this video that YouTube picked out just for you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to write right.